Alright, welcome back. This is the 2024 Templar 250 4-stroke carbureted dirt bike. This is street legal, so I am doing a little street test here for y'all. I've been putting it through its paces on the woods track in my neighborhood over here, and it's actually been holding up pretty well. No issues so far, but I wanted to hop onto the street and kind of just, you know, see how it performed on the street, see what it felt like, make sure it was good. I have noticed one thing about this bike is it is very rattly. A lot of things are rattling around when I'm riding on the road, and I'm not sure if that will go away with break-in time, but it almost sounds like components are just like rattling loose, which I'm double checking most of the bolts and everything. Most of the main components I check before I go out on the ride, just because I don't have the trust that I would in a name brand bike. But again, like I said, everything is holding up well so far. I think I've got, I don't know, 60 miles on the bike at this point. I'm feeling pretty confident in my abilities of driving this thing, so I am learning and I'm having a blast doing it. If you guys have any questions about the bike or the buying process, anything like that, any questions at all, just drop them down in the comments below, and I'll try to address them. And with that, I will leave you to enjoy this beautiful ride through the neighborhood. I would really appreciate it if you are enjoying these videos. Slap the like button and give me a subscribe. I'm trying to build up my YouTube channel right now. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.